In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for EBT online. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up any web browser on your device. So you could open something like Google Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Safari, etc. You could also do this both on a mobile device or on a desktop. I recommend using a desktop because it makes things a little bit easier. So I'm just going to open up my web browser right over here. Okay, now what you want to do is you want to look up EBT followed by your state and then application. So for me, we're doing this for New York City, but if you live in California, for example, then you would type in California right over here, or New Jersey, you would type in New Jersey just like so, because every single state is going to have a slightly different process. So you will need to keep that in mind. So enter your state over here. For this example, I'm just putting NYC, but you want to put your state over here, followed by application just like so. Then you want to press on the enter key on your keyboard. Okay, then it's going to appear a bunch of results. And what you want to do is you want to select on the website that does appear, and you want to make sure that whenever you click on a website that it says .gov. So notice over here, it says ny.gov. So let's go ahead and select on it just like so. And then over here, it's going to bring you to a page that looks like this. So it's going to give you a brief overview of what basically you need to do and stuff like that, and all of the maximum amounts and stuff, and your eligibility as well. So make sure to give this a check as well, because this is incredibly important. If you meet this eligibility, then you're good to go. You're able to apply for EBT and get SNAP benefits. So again, all the information is going to be right over here. So please take some time to actually look through this. Make sure that you do qualify in order to actually apply. So anyways, once you're done with that, please go ahead and select on apply right over here. And then it's going to bring you to a page that looks like this. Now, what you need to do is you need to go ahead and scroll down, and you need to create a ny.gov account if you have not already. If you already have one, you're good to go. Then you're able to sign in, and then that's where you apply for SNAP. So what you need to do is you need to create a ny.gov account first, or obviously if you're in a different state, it's going to be slightly different. If you're in a different state, this whole page might be a little bit different, but in general, the practice is still the same thing. You're going to need to create a government account first, and it's going to give you the option over here. And then using your government account, you're able to apply for SNAP, and that's where you would do it right over here. You are also able to check your EBT balance right over here as well. Now, if things get a little bit confusing, that's perfectly fine. What you want to do is you want to go over here to where it says resources if it ever gets confusing. And then here's more stuff that you could use as well. So more in-depth guides which you could do. And you can even change the language over here as well. So you can change you can change it to Spanish, Arabic, Chinese, etc. But this is how you would go ahead and apply for EBT. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.